What's buzzing, everyone, and welcome back to Billie Buzz. The news cycle is moving at warp speed, and we've got the absolute latest that you need to know. Get ready, because the updates are hot, the reactions are wild, and you're going to want to be in the know. We're diving headfirst into stories that are making waves, sparking conversations, and shaping what's next. From massive market shifts driven by unexpected campaigns to major industry developments, we're covering it all. You're not going to want to miss a single second of this. This is your essential download of what's happening right now. Stick around, because the stories we're about to break down are going to be everywhere, and you'll be ahead of the curve. First up, a major brand is seeing its stock skyrocket after a campaign that's generating quite the buzz, and the results are undeniable. Next, we're diving deep into the strategies behind that massive marketing push. What exactly made this campaign a winner, and how is it reshaping customer acquisition in a competitive landscape? We'll break down the tactics and the talk surrounding it. Then, we're examining the fallout and the financial impact of a high-profile marketing effort. Did the controversy fuel the fire, and what does this mean for the brand's future trajectory? The numbers are in, and they're telling a compelling story. Finally, we're looking at how a bold creative choice is paying off in a big way, leading to significant stock gains and a surge in new customers. It's a masterclass in capturing attention and turning buzz into tangible business results. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on so you don't miss any of our deep dives. A shockwave in stock prices, the Sweeney effect. Get ready for a financial phenomenon driven by a campaign that's got everyone talking. American Eagle Outfitters is currently riding a massive wave, with its stock surging an incredible 25% following a recent earnings call. This dramatic upswing is directly linked to the undeniable success of their latest marketing initiatives, particularly the highly publicized ad campaign featuring actress Sweeney. While some have dissected the campaign's messaging, focusing on controversial interpretations of the wordplay involving jeans and jeans, the business outcome is crystal clear. American Eagle Outfitters CEO Jay Schottenstein openly applauded the positive start to the fall season, attributing it to a combination of stronger product offerings and the potent impact of their recent marketing efforts. He specifically highlighted the success of campaigns involving Sweeney and Travis Kelce, noting a significant uptick in customer awareness, engagement, and comparable sales. This indicates that despite any surrounding chatter, the core message and visibility are resonating powerfully with consumers. The specifics paint a vivid picture of success. While the company's total net revenue saw a slight dip of 1% year-over-year, totaling $1.28 billion, the star power of Sweeney proved to be a major revenue driver. Her exclusive jean collaborations reportedly sold out within a mere week, demonstrating an immense demand for the featured products. This wasn't just a fleeting trend. Chief Marketing Officer Craig Brommers declared the Sweeney campaign a resounding winner, emphasizing that in just 6 weeks, it has achieved unprecedented new customer acquisition. This is a critical metric for any retailer looking to grow and maintain market share. Further underscoring the campaign's reach, American Eagle's executive creative director, Jennifer Foyle, revealed that the combined Sweeney and Kelce campaigns have generated a staggering 40 billion impressions. This colossal reach has undoubtedly amplified brand visibility and driven significant traffic. The immediate impact on the company's valuation was palpable, with its stock price spiking 25% in after hours, trading immediately following the earnings call. In less positive news, the company did acknowledge expected tariff impacts for the third and fourth quarters, which they plan to mitigate through price increases. However, the overwhelming narrative from the earnings call and the market's reaction points to a highly successful marketing strategy that has revitalized customer interest and boosted the brand's stock value significantly. But was this buzz purely about denim, or was there a deeper conversation brewing? We'll explore the wider implications of this marketing moment. The marketing playbook: how controversy fueled American Eagle's comeback. The retail world is abuzz, and American Eagle Outfitters is at the center of it all, thanks to a daring back-to-school campaign starring Sweeney. While not everyone embraced the ads, with some critics even leveling accusations of promoting long-disproven theories of eugenics by playing on the word genes in relation to the Euphoria star's blonde hair and blue eyes. The company's marketing executives are standing firm, seeing the controversy as a catalyst for success. Chief Marketing Officer Craig Brommers, discussing the campaign on a Q2 earnings call, remained unfazed by the backlash, declaring, "The new American Eagle history has just begun." This celebrity-driven marketing strategy is proving to be a powerful weapon in an increasingly challenging retail environment, exacerbated by ongoing tariff issues. As marketers grapple with appealing to a diverse and often polarized consumer base, American Eagle is demonstrating that weathering intense public scrutiny can yield significant business rewards, particularly with its Gen Z target audience. The combined impact of two major campaigns, the Sweeney push launched in July, and a capsule collaboration with NFL star Travis Kelce's True Colors brand, timed just before Labor Day weekend, has generated an astonishing 40 billion impressions, according to executives. This colossal reach, amplified by a national firestorm surrounding the Sweeney ads, which even drew commentary from political figures, has translated into unprecedented new customer acquisition. The brand has welcomed an additional 700,000 new customers over the summer period alone, a testament to the campaign's effectiveness in cutting through the noise. Both the Sweeney and Kelce partnerships have focused on limited edition apparel that has experienced rapid sell-throughs, such as Sweeney's now famous wide-leg jeans with butterfly details, which sold out within a week. The Kelce collaboration, launching just before a major holiday weekend, also resulted in American Eagle's best Labor Day sales on record. Despite these successes, the overall business hasn't seen an immediate turnaround. Net revenue for American Eagle Outfitters, including its Aerie brand, declined 1% year-over-year to $1.28 billion for the second quarter ending August 2. The flagship American Eagle brand saw comparable sales drop by 3%. However, executives are optimistic, viewing the strong consumer response to these celebrity collaborations as a crucial source of momentum heading into the critical third quarter and the upcoming holiday season. Jennifer Foyle, President and Executive Creative Director, noted on the earnings call, "Second quarter comps declined, yet demand improved throughout the quarter, and I am confident that we are at an inflection point." American Eagle plans to continue the Sweeney campaign through the end of the year and is preparing a second drop with Kelce's True Colors brand for September 24. The central challenge now lies in converting these high-impact marketing moments into sustained long-term growth and retaining these newly acquired customers amidst economic uncertainty, though marketing executives remain decidedly optimistic. As Brommers stated, "We know that purchase intent is significantly and meaningfully up, and we'll be looking to convert this buzz into business all through the back half of the year." But how exactly did this marketing frenzy translate into concrete numbers for the company's valuation? We'll break down the financial impact. American Eagle's stock soars. New customers flock after viral Sydney Sweeney campaign. In a significant market reaction, shares of American Eagle Outfitters experienced a dramatic surge, jumping 34% on Thursday. This substantial gain followed the teen clothing retailer's announcement that the intense buzz surrounding its Sydney Sweeney ad campaign successfully attracted a wave of new customers during the most recent fiscal quarter. The campaign, which debuted over the summer, launched American Eagle's fall denim collection and simultaneously ignited a widespread debate encompassing topics of race, Western beauty standards, and the broader cultural backlash against perceived woke politics in America. The controversy primarily centered on ads featuring the blonde-haired, blue-eyed actress, known for her roles in HBO's Euphoria and White Lotus. Specifically, the use of the word jeans in place of jeans in some ad copy sparked criticism, with detractors interpreting it as a subtle endorsement of eugenics by associating specific physical traits with superiority. However, American Eagle executives, speaking during a post-earnings call on Wednesday, emphasized that the campaign successfully captured attention. CEO Jay Schottenstein proudly declared, "We saw a record-breaking new customer acquisition and brand awareness cutting across age, demographics, and genders." He further noted that customer traffic saw a consistent build throughout the second quarter and continued strongly into August, indicating sustained interest. Following the campaign's success in driving new customer acquisition, American Eagle has revised its financial outlook. The company now anticipates comparable store sales to increase by low single-digit percentages in both the third and fourth quarters. This positive revision comes after the company had previously withdrawn its annual outlook in the spring due to global economic volatility. The current guidance suggests that same-store sales should remain flat for the year, with the recent surge providing a much-needed boost. The brand also benefited from a concurrent ad campaign featuring NFL star Travis Kelce, who recently announced his engagement. In response to the criticism, American Eagle maintained that the campaign's focus was always on its clothing, not on race. This marketing strategy played out against a backdrop of industry-wide attention to advertising. Notably, a month later, retail competitor, The Gap launched its own ad campaign featuring the girl group Kelce, which garnered praise for its inclusivity. Gap CEO Richard Dixon commented on the impact of attention-grabbing campaigns, noting that their Better in Denim campaign achieved 400 million total views in just 3 days, surpassing the combined views of their previous 4 ads. Dixon suggested that, when the industry creates campaigns that generate conversation, it stimulates broader interest in the sector. Industry analysts offered nuanced perspectives. Neil Saunders, managing director at Global Data, characterized the frenzy around the Sweeney campaign as a tempest in a teacup. He argued that while it generated strong reactions, it ultimately had no serious detrimental impact on sales. Saunders pointed to the company's guidance for the second half of the year, which indicates improved momentum, supported by both the denim marketing and the Travis Kelce partnership. He further elaborated that regardless of the specific merits of the collaborations, generating significant noise is precisely what American Eagle needs to do to stand out and reconnect with consumers who may have previously overlooked the brand. For the second quarter, American Eagle's revenue experienced a slight dip of 1%, amounting to $1.28 billion. However, Chief Marketing Officer Craig Brommers confirmed that the Sydney Sweeney ad campaign will continue to be a key part of their strategy moving forward, with new elements planned for the latter half of the year. The company's stock has seen a notable increase of 10% year-to-date, with the latest surge significantly contributing to this growth. While the stock market is reacting positively, how does this campaign stack up against competitors, and what does it mean for the broader retail landscape? American Eagle rides the Sydney Sweeney wave. Stock soars amidst marketing frenzy. American Eagle Outfitters is proving that bold marketing can lead to significant financial gains, as evidenced by a remarkable 31% spike in its stock price at the opening bell on Thursday. This surge was directly triggered by the company's announcement that the intense public reaction to its Sydney Sweeney ad campaign has been a powerful engine for attracting new customers throughout the most recent quarter. The retailer's fall denim campaign, starring the 27-year-old actor, became a focal point for widespread discussions on race, Western beauty standards, and the ongoing cultural debate surrounding woke American politics. The controversy largely revolved around the campaign's use of wordplay, particularly the substitution of jeans for jeans, featuring the blonde-haired, blue-eyed Sweeney, who gained prominence for her roles in the HBO series Euphoria and White Lotus. Critics voiced concerns that the ads played into notions of genetic superiority, sparking a significant online debate. Despite the polarizing reactions, American Eagle executives highlighted the campaign's success in capturing attention during their second quarter earnings call. CEO Jay Schottenstein stated, "We saw a record-breaking new customer acquisition and brand awareness cutting across age, demographics, and genders." He further indicated that customer traffic saw sustained growth through the second quarter and into August, demonstrating the campaign's lasting impact. Buoyed by this influx of new customers, American Eagle has updated its financial projections. The company now anticipates a low single-digit percentage increase in comparable store sales for both the third and fourth quarters. This optimistic outlook contrasts with its earlier withdrawal of the annual forecast in the spring, attributed to global economic uncertainties. The revised guidance suggests that same-store sales are likely to be flat for the year, with the recent marketing success providing a crucial uplift. The brand's efforts were also bolstered by a campaign featuring NFL star Travis Kelce, adding another layer of star power. American Eagle has consistently maintained that its campaign's intent was to highlight its clothing, not to engage in discussions about race. This approach was noted in the context of rival retailers' marketing efforts. For instance, The Gap released its Better in Denim campaign featuring the girl group Katseye a month later, a campaign that was widely praised for its inclusivity. Gap CEO Richard Dixon observed that industry-wide impactful campaigns generate significant interest, noting his own brand's campaign achieved 400 million views in just 3 days. Industry analysts offered mixed but largely positive assessments of the campaign's impact. Neil Saunders, managing director at Global Data, described the controversy as a tempest in a teacup, asserting that it had no significant negative effect on sales. He pointed to the company's guidance for the latter half of the year, which suggests improved momentum driven by both the denim marketing and the Travis Kelce partnership. Saunders also commented that generating substantial buzz is essential for American Eagle to cut through the market noise and regain traction with consumers. In terms of financial performance, American Eagle's revenue for the second quarter saw a 1% decrease, totaling $1.28 billion. However, Chief Marketing Officer Craig Brommers affirmed that the Sydney Sweeney campaign will continue to be a cornerstone of their strategy, with new elements planned for the remainder of the year. The company's stock has seen a 6% increase year-to-date, with the recent surge significantly contributing to this performance. So, the marketing strategy worked wonders for American Eagle's stock. But what does this mean for the future of celebrity endorsements and controversial campaigns in the retail space? And that's a wrap on today's Essential Updates. We covered American Eagle's stock soaring thanks to the Sydney Sweeney campaign, the marketing genius behind that buzz, the financial impact of controversy, and how embracing the frenzy paid off big. Don't miss out on what's next. Hit that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe to Billie Buzz for your daily dose of what matters, and ring that notification bell so you're always the first to know. Plus, let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and follow us on all social platforms to keep the conversation going.